Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 24th, 2022. We're going to talk about Amazon today and see if this stock has further to fall. Because if it does, then hey, I'm here to show you, right? I'm here to get us all prepared about where prices are going to go in the stock market without the confusion. I mean, so many other people got you all holding these stocks for the next 50 years because they've done some type of fundamental analysis. They did some discount cash flow and it completely went against what their thoughts were. So now those individuals who have given you this discount cash flow or has garnered to try to figure out what is the value of the stock for its fundamentals of the company will have to come back in and manipulate their numbers to convince you that this is where price is going to go now. I don't do that. I come through and look at what people have already done with their own cash. Every time somebody comes into the market, guess what? They got to either buy or sell, whether it's the person who can only buy one share or the massive conglomerates of financial institutions who come in and buy millions of shares. All of their ideas is already here on the chart. So why do I need to focus in on earnings and revenue and inflation and recession and supply chain constraints when all I had to do is look at what everyone else is trying to do with their own money? Yes, that's how you're able to win. That is the competitive advantage that we have amongst everybody else in the market. And I stand on that. I've been doing videos here consistently day in showing you all that you don't have to focus in on all of the nonsense. Price is the news. What people do on every trading day, that is the actual news that we need to be paying attention to. Check it out. If you guys want to join me, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. I would also definitely recommend that you tap that bell notification because you do not want to miss out on my content. I'm ahead of the game. And I want you all to be ahead of the game too. So look, I did a video in Amazon, April the 27th. So here it is. It's been about a month, right? And I was expecting the price to go down and it went massively lower than what my price target was at, which is cool because this is the name of the game. We're here to make the money. That's everyone's objective in the stock market, is to make money. Now, if you're trying to make money in the next 50,000 years, then hey, good luck. If you can make money on a shorter time frame, then why not? Why do you want to hold the stock for 5 years if you could come through and consistently make 9%, 10%, or even, if I were to get on the last trade of yesterday, 23% consistently? This is what I'm talking about. I don't understand why people want to come in and hold stocks for 5 years. They're only telling retail traders or investors, retail investors, to hold these stocks for 5 years. These other companies, these hedge funds, they don't hold these stocks for no 5 years. They come in, make the money, and they move out. But they want the regular individual to come in and hold stocks for 5 years. And nobody as of yet has garnered the attention as to where in the world do they get 5 years from? Like, is that some magical number? 5 years? Why not 7? Why not 10? Why not 13 years? Like, why is it always 5 years, 5 to 10 years? Check it out. We're down, right? In Amazon. So obviously, can we see price further fall? Of course we can. Like, that would be crazy for someone not to say that when we've already seen Amazon fall from the high of November 19, 2021. 43%. Like, we've already seen this value of this stock fall 43%. So now you're going to start to see videos of YouTubers telling you come in and buy the dips. This is what they're going to tell you to do. And look how far market in Amazon has gone. Like, we are literally standing at the top of the mountain and we're trying to make our way back down. And there's no question as to how low this price can go in Amazon. So I would caution you to be buying on those dips, especially if we still see weakness. Okay. Now, right here is where the initial basis of support is going to be. Okay. We will want to see buyers hold this level in Amazon now. Look at that. That's it. So going forward, our attention needs to be on us looking at buyers coming in the market right here. Because if the buyers are coming into the market right here in Amazon, guess what? We need to be buyers too. Just that simple. If the buyers are not coming in at that price, we should not be buyers. Okay. It's just that simple. It's not hard. Now, let's say that the buyers don't hold $2,050. Then where do you think the next level would be? Where do you think it will be? $1,600. I would go with $1,700 to $1,600. That would be the next level for us to come in and try to find this support. For us to try to come in and find the buyers. Okay, so we got $1,700 and then $1,600 for us to try to find buyers. We are in free fall. Look how fast the market in Amazon fell. We are in free fall. Okay, this is Amazon on the 5 weeks. And look at this last 5 weekly price bar. For us to think that the market is done falling, it's crazy. It's asinine to think that. This 5 weekly price bar tells us that there's still a lot of individuals, people, companies selling this stock. Like, they don't want the price up there no more. Basically what this 5 weekly price bar look like. They don't want it, hold it up there. Now, let's say that we were to see price in Amazon show some strength, right? Let's say that it seems as if the market is going to continue to pop and go up. That's cool. But this is not one of those environments to where you say, all right, cool, I'm gonna hold it till it hits $4,000 again. This is a totally different environment in Amazon. That next restriction level is going to be around 25.25. Okay. Look at this on the 3 months. Look at that. Things has changed. This is not the same market to where we saw a massive run up in Amazon. What about on 5 months? Look at that. We have 7 more days and 9 hours left, and we are definitely over the last 5 months. This is what the price bar looks like. So look at this. This is why I wanted to show you how important it is for us to see the market buyers come in around 2000, because it will bring us right here at the crossroads. That is where we need to see the market buyers come in, because it will keep us in line with this trend that we started back in 2015. If the market in Amazon embraced this trend that started back in 2015, almost 7 years ago, this is no longer a bull market. I'm just saying. It's no longer a bull market. This is now the time to start contemplating this situation. We haven't seen the price in Amazon come down to this trend since 2015. Okay, so now what do you think? What do you think? So now, I'm going to expect the price in Amazon to continue to fall though. I'm going to look forward to that. Now, we may not have further to fall though, right? Let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. Buyers could actually come in around $2,000. That's the best outcome that we can get from this massive decline that we've seen recently, is for the buyers to come in around $2,000. The worst scenario would be for us to break the trend, would be for us to break this long-term trend in the market in Amazon. The dynamics has changed. It has massively changed. The market is telling us that. The people who are involved in Amazon is telling us that they don't see the market the same as once they did back in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. They don't see the market the same anymore. Something changed. And until we see buyers come back into the market, we have to expect that Amazon is going to continue to fall. Okay. So that first price target, like I said, is at what, 2,000. That gives us still 7 3/4% movement to the downside. That's the best outcome, like I told you earlier. That's the best outcome. That second price target, you guys can remember, was around $1,700. Okay, which is around 21%. Now, I know many of you are going to leave me a comment in the comment section saying, it's impossible. Amazon won't never come down to $1,700, $1,600. Okay. You can believe that because you probably was thinking the same thing when the price was around $3,800. You probably would never thought that price would be around $2,000 a day. And here he is. Here we are. So that's my second price target. First one is right there around 2,000. Second one's around 17. Third is around $1,600. You guys can see it already. We would break that trend. Okay. So now, we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Amazon until we see the price break up above 25.25. Okay. So that is it. This is what I'm expecting the market to do in Amazon. Still think we got a little bit lower to go. Like I said, it might just be 2,000. Hey, I'll take the profitability of that 7 3/4%. I'll be cool with that. And that would be the best situation though for us to see that. But looking at this again on the 5 months, it may not hold in the long term, meaning 6 months from now, a year from now, we could definitely see this price break this trend. And I'm telling you here now, May the 24th, 2022. All right, so I'm done. Go ahead and drop me your price prediction, your price target into the market in Amazon. Go ahead and let everyone know where do you think the price is headed, because this is where I'm looking for it to go. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.